Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to rent a car on Turo. So first open the Turo app or website and enter your trip location and dates. Then browse the available vehicles and use filters to find the type of car that you want. Then review the vehicle listing, host information, ratings, reviews, pickup or delivery option and its pricings. After that, select the car you want and review the trip details carefully. Then follow Turo's instruction to provide the required driver and payment information. After that, review the total price, pickup details, and any applicable fees before confirming the booking. And once your reservation is confirmed, Turo will provide the information you need for pickup or delivery. So that was how to rent a car quickly through Turo. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.